Hello, in this video I will show how to configure replication data from MySQL into the ClickHouse. So first you will need two databases. You will need a MySQL database and you will need a ClickHouse database. For MySQL database I use this tool as a tool to admin to insert data, create tables and stuff like this. And for ClickHouse I'm using the console ClickHouse client. So first, let's check what databases do we have in MySQL and in ClickHouse. Yeah, so it's just the default databases. We haven't yet created anything. So first, and yeah, the same is in ClickHouse. As you see, there is only some default databases. So first, let's create some database. For example, my database. Yeah, so now here is database, my database, and we also see it here. So we can go and create some tables. Let's create table, my table. Okay, let's define structure. For example, there will be a name. And let's, for example, add the age. And let's add some data. Yeah, so now, if we, for example, run here it is, the results. The results are in ClickHouse, but there is nothing in the results in MySQL, but there is nothing in ClickHouse database. It's still empty. So now we need to configure a replication. So the first step is to install the tool that will be used for replication. The tool is called MySQL CH Replicator. Yeah, so the tool is written on Python, so we install it using the pip command. Pip install MySQL CH Replicator. The second step, we need to create the config file. Let's create this file. I already created it. So here it is. There is some settings for MySQL. There is some settings for ClickHouse. And there is some data directory that will be used to store binary log and data. And also there is the databases pattern. So this pattern means that we will copy data from every database, which is start with my. So as we have database called my database, it will be matched by this pattern and it will be copied. So yeah, after we configured the file, let's run the replicator. So we can pass the config file as this. And we should run it in run all mode. In this mode, he will copy the binary log and he will copy all the data automatically, and we just need to run it and see what's happening. Yeah, so here is some logs. So the tool recreated the database inside the ClickHouse. It's copied all the data from scratch, and now it's waiting for changes. So we can go to the ClickHouse, write this command, show databases, and we see there is a new database appeared. I just called my database. Let's use it. Yeah, also there is a table which appeared. Let's select everything from this table. And here it is, all the data that was in this table. Okay, let's go next and try to add something new. Yeah, so here we created a new record in MySQL database. Okay, let's see the logs of the replicator. Here it is. You see that there is one event count. So the database replicator received that event, and now it should appear in the ClickHouse database. And here it is. And that's basically it.